Free. So you didn't even need to watch that video, but because we're just gonna tell you, we need a beaker that's in here, and we need some glass.
That's a beaker. That's a beaker.
That's a beaker. That's
Does it come with one? You have to get one.
Okay, we'll go get
It's
that.
just a little jug thing.
We're gonna get those things downstairs in our house, and well, my house, not hers. She's I guess. And also
check out
bring
my
some
YouTube
gloves.
channel. It's Evie Brown, and she has multiple channels.
It's a private channel that you have, you know, and you have one channel.
No,
that's not.
My other channels. Okay, I have a private channel. Yes.
And she has another channel that's not. Her record of views was 1,000 and something.
No, it wasn't. Well, it was about 1,000 to 1 million on one of my videos.
1 million, definitely not.
Because it's almost, I think, 1K.
No, it is 1K now.
Yeah?
That's not a million, maybe.
Oh.
K means 1,000.
Okay. So, let's go get the stuff.
Let's go get the stuff. We'll have to pause so you guys don't see us like...
Wait, let's listen to them. See you soon. Ooh. Where's the actual camera? Wait. Okay, we'll have to pause everyone.
Well, for now, bye, but then we'll be back, so don't worry about it. Hey guys, back to this, and we remember, if you're doing this like a YouTuber video about it,
we have gloves. We have gloves, and I got
we got a beaker as well. Pop it down there, and some gloves.
Very busy.
I got Coca-Cola, a mini Coca-Cola can. Make sure don't accidentally put stuff in your drink. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'm gonna put mine on the windowsill.
I'm gonna put mine in the other room.
Okay, I'll show you the gloves. I'll show them the gloves while you put that back.
Don't forget, these aren't sciencey gloves. They're cleaning gloves.
Well, they're sciencey gloves.
Yeah, but they haven't been used around science.
Very big.
So if you use science gloves that you've used before, please do not put it near your face.
They have a very small beaker. I'm not sure if that's a beaker. Please comment below if that's a beaker. So we might not end up with what we want. So I'll open this Ziploc bag. As you see, with all this stuff. Right. Okay, I'll take my glove off to do this.
Oh my god, these are regular gloves. If you've used these gloves before
that's pretty good. Well done, kids.
If you've used these gloves before for anything,
Okay, let's tip all this up.
Please don't put it near your face unless you've done dishes with it. It depends on what's your allergy. If you have an allergy of it, you can put it near the cleaned, with being cleaned perfectly. Be careful. That is nothing. Okay. So, and we had it at stop button. So that we don't know if that's a beaker or what's a beaker. We think this is a beaker though.
Please comment below
if it's a beaker or not.
Please,
we don't know.
Comment.
So these gloves haven't been used, so we can put them near our face and things. But once they have been used, throw them in the bin.
Yes.
In the bin. In the bin.
And do your glove.
I know I did not. And also wear new gloves to pick them up.
Okay. Yes. Yes, that's good. And then you have to put those ones in the bin and keep the cycle going.
Yeah.
Or get someone else to pick up the glove.
Yeah, but don't do that because that can hurt them.
But anyway, it said how many spoonfuls? Yes. I forgot from the last time we did it, so let's see. It says it's a very clean beaker. Yes, I think it's a beaker. It says up to that much. That's probably the whole beaker. And then put 6 spoons of bicarbonate, so 6 spoonfuls. And make it
into the beaker, Evie.
Yes.
Does it say into the beaker?
Yes.
Then put them in, Evie.
I think this is like medicine. How only add it on. Also. Oops. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna hold it firmly in my hand. So let's have 6 spoonfuls, up to very below is everything. Yeah, this is a beaker. It is. So it's about up to the 15. Well, about up to the 5 actually. Well, let's just put 6 spoonfuls because that's what we're meant to do. 6 spoonfuls. So this is 1. Ooh, my hands are really shaky. Right, let me do it on the floor so we don't damage our computer. That's 1.
So after that, we'll show you it. So take the 6 spoons, Evie. Now do the next one, which is
3
cornstarch.
3.
I think you can touch that, but we are wearing gloves just in case. You can't, because we don't know. 4.
5, and finally 6. There we go.
Just checking if it's the same.
Yes, it is. Goes up to 30.
Yep, perfect. This is a beaker.
Okay.
Now
Okay, you don't need to comment now. Sorry. We'll put this down here.
this is a beaker. Now it's filled up with the dangerous stuff, which is dangerous. Now we're gonna show you
3 spoons of cornstarch and 3 spoons of acid.
My turn. I'll do 3 spoons of cornstarch.
Correct. Just twist it and open. I'll open it.
Is this the one you
So-
used?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 3 spoonfuls. I don't. It just came off. It said very dry. So we need 3 spoonfuls of this. Only 3 spoonfuls. Okay.
Very
And put them in. Let me open this. So it's only 3. Remember, 3.
3. So open it up. Can I open it?
Yeah, I had to do it on the floor.
Okay. I'm gonna do it on the floor and lift it up once it's done.
So 3. Remember, 3. 3 and only 3. Cornstarch is not that dangerous, so it doesn't matter if you touch it accidentally. Let's investigate some stuff while we're waiting.
And 3.
Okay, and we don't have time.
Let's.
I'll do the acid.
Evie's starting to do acid. I'm gonna show you the cornstarch inside here.
And also the other thing.
There's the cornstarch and the other thing mixed together.
Okay, I'm gonna put the acid in.
Yes.
3 spoonfuls of
The
acid.
most dangerous one to do.
Do not touch it. Unless you have gloves.
Put the lid back. Does burn.
Put your lid back on that. The lid's up there. Right.
Yeah,
3 spoons. Where's your spoon?
Here's the spoon that we use. I
Right,
dried it
3
right.
spoonfuls of acid. Yikes, yikes.
After
yikes.
this, tidy up your spots. And if you need air, make sure that you do get air in a different room because you might breathe it in.
Just open
If you're really stressing
I can
out
see-
about the
I
breath.
can see why this. Oh god, look at that with acid.
Acid, ugh. Be very careful. Acid is a burning chemical.
I can't really show you it. 'Cause I'm doing this.
It's a burning chemical.
I have to be
Cornstarch is like
super
this
careful.
most
very
dangerous.
careful.
I'm just gonna go to take care. Just to get better air from this, all these chemicals.
1. Yikes. 2. Finally. I'll show you what it looks like, guys.
Do not remove your gloves.
Do not. It's like little crystals, just so you know.
How many of them? 3 of them. 3. Woo. It's a burning, so if it burns, just slide it off. It's not that dangerous, but it can burn deeply. But as long as you flick it off fast, it's okay. And make your hand washed with soap and water. Make sure that.
Right, I'm just gonna keep this on the floor. Because I'm not touching that. I'm keeping it down there. Safety. Right.
We'll need to hurry up this video with a part 2.
Yeah, we probably have. Well, not part 2.
Well, part like 4. I think.
Yeah. 4.
Doesn't matter. We'll write it down because we'll figure out later on.
Alright, anyway, that's next step.
So I'm just gonna like
Next
do the next
step.
one. So watch
Next
the next
step.
video
Now
to
listen.
figure out to watch the next step. Figure out what is the next video
Alright.
wherever it is. And thank you
Step
very much
3.
for watching this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe.
What we're doing step 3.
And then we're going to step 3 in the next video. Bye. Sorry, I
Okay,
can't
so-
stop this.